Hi friends, let's make soft puffy poori. Poori is a classic breakfast dish that is enjoyed with potato masala. Typically, poori is made with all-purpose flour, but for a healthier version, this recipe uses whole wheat atta flour, which is mainly used for chapati. First, we will prepare the potato masala for our poori. Boil 2 potatoes until soft. Allow potatoes to cool down, then remove the peel. Crush the potatoes or chop into small pieces. Then heat up 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and half teaspoon cumin seeds and allow to splutter. Then add 2 teaspoons chana dal and 1 teaspoon urad dal. Stir for 1 to 2 minutes to cook the lentils. Now add sliced onions. Saute until onions turn translucent. Now add curry leaves. Then add 1 teaspoon minced or grated ginger, 1 to 2 sliced green chili, and 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. Allow to cook for 2 to 3 minutes until tomato is soft. Now add crushed potatoes and stir to mix well. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder and salt according to taste. Add about 1 to 1.5 cups of water. Cover and cook on moderate heat for 4 to 5 minutes until the potato masala thickens. Now add 2 teaspoons chickpea flour and mix. Garnish with shredded coriander leaves. Our potato masala is ready to serve with poori. Now let's prepare the poori dough. For this, we will use 2 cups whole wheat flour. Add 2 tablespoons semolina and 1 teaspoon salt. Also add 1 teaspoon sugar. Then add 1 tablespoon oil. Mix all the ingredients together. Then add water gradually until the correct dough is obtained. It should be slightly hard, not soft as chapati dough. Otherwise, the poori will absorb a lot of oil during frying. Knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes to get a smooth dough. This portion makes 12 to 13 small pooris. Smear some oil on the dough to prevent drying. Cover the bowl and keep aside for 15 to 30 minutes to soften the dough. Now let's get back to our poori. Place the dough on a wooden board. Then roll the dough into a long piece. Cut the dough into small pieces. Then take each piece and form a small marble-sized ball. Use some oil on the rolling surface and on your hands to roll each ball out to a slightly thin poori. It should not be too thin to prevent breaking during frying. Fry the poori one by one in hot oil. Pour oil over the poori to help it puff up. Then flip over to cook the other side. Be gentle during the flipping to avoid breaking the poori. Remove poori from oil when it is golden brown and place it on kitchen tissues to absorb excess oil. Serve pooris immediately while they are piping hot from the pan. Combine pooris with potato masala. This is such a delicious combo. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy recipes. Happy cooking!